Welcome to the English class, and I hope you all are happy and fine as always. So let us do a quick review of what we did in our last class. So in our last class, we have completed the chapter, the lesson 4 from our English textbook, The Lazy Squirrel. I hope you have gone through the chapter well along with its question answers and you have learned it well. So today in this class, we will be doing the revision of the first two lessons of the English textbook, that is lesson 1 and lesson 2. So we will be doing the revisions with the help of a mind map. Now what is this mind map actually? So mind maps are a pictorial description of the important points from a particular topic, any topic or any lesson. So let us move towards the revision of the first lesson. So our first lesson is lesson 1, Tiger Stripes. Now here you can see, here I have just note down the important points. Okay, so let us move towards it. The first point you can see, I have written here Tiggy. Now in the middle, now why I have written Tiggy in the middle? Because Tiggy is the main character of this particular story, Tiger Stripes. Now what is Tiggy? Now let me take the pointer. Okay, now Tiggy, he is the main character of this story. And who is Tiggy actually? So Tiggy is a tiger cub. So he is a tiger's cub. Now the first point is, I have mentioned here, upset. So one day what happened, Tiggy was very much upset. And what is the reason? Because his Papa's stripes were missing. And as a result, what happened? Papa was also very sad and he was angry too. And then what happened? Tiggy went to his friend Bruno the bear and he discussed the problems with his father. Now about his father. Now Bruno has suggested him that there is an old lady on the hill who knew magic. So he decided to go towards the lady on the hill and discuss his problem. So he went to the lady, and when he went to the lady on the hill, what he has noticed, that she was wearing a tattered gown, and the lady discussed the problem with him. Then finally what happened, after listening to his problems, what is the main point here? Magic powder. Now the lady has given him a tiny box of magic powder, and the lady told him that you have to sprinkle that powder on the body of your papa, the tiger. So the next point is sprinkle. So what happened? So he went home happily, and as said by that old lady on the hill, he has sprinkled the powder on the body of his papa, and next morning what happened? All his missing stripes were back, and Tiggy was overjoyed. He became very happy. So what are the main points we have discussed here? The first is Tiggy, and who is Tiggy? He is a tiger's cub. And now what happened? He was very upset because his papa's stripes were missing, and then he went to his friend Bruno the bear. He suggested him to go to the lady on the hill who knew magic, and when he went there, he has seen that the lady, she was wearing a tattered gown, and after discussing, the lady provided him a magic powder and to sprinkle on the body of his father. And the next day he has seen, after sprinkling the powder at night, he has seen all his father's stripes were back, and finally he was overjoyed with that and he became happy. So dear student, these are the important points of this lesson, and I hope it is clear to you. Kindly go through the question answers well. Now let us move towards the next chapter, lesson 2. So lesson 2 is the orange butterfly. So here in this orange butterfly, who is the main character of this story? The main character of this story is Jiggy. Jiggy is the main character of the story. And who is Jiggy? She is an orange color butterfly. The number 1 point is orange butterfly because she is an orange color butterfly. So orange butterfly. Next one is white lily flower. So one day what happened, I think you have remembered the story. One day what happened, when she was flying in the garden, what she has listened to the flower discussing with each other, that the white lily flower, it was discussing with the other flowers, that the animals from the other garden, it is what happened, the animals from the other garden who are coming to this garden, they were doing? They were looking very nice, having beautiful patterns, but Jiggy doesn't have. And when Jiggy heard about this, so what white lily flower discussed and about the patterns of the other butterflies. So she after listening to their discussions, Jiggy, he felt very sad and he sets off towards the other garden. Okay, then after on the way, he has met what happened? Whom? The wise sunflower. He has met wise sunflower and asked about the way towards the other garden. Why he went to the other garden? To see the other colorful, beautiful butterflies. So when she went there, other butterflies came near Jiggy, and the other butterflies were full of stripes in their bodies, but they have praised Jiggy, and they have also praised her that you are just like a bright orange fruit. They become very happy. Jiggy became very happy, and she realized that yes, I am very strong like a fruit. I am also beautiful, so I am very strong. And finally Jiggy was happy. So dear students, these are the important points of the lesson. Let me revise it once again. First one is Jiggy. It is an orange butterfly, white lily flower, patterns, sets of white sunflower, stripes, bright orange fruit, strong, and finally the term is happy. So I hope it is clear to you. And dear students, when you will remember all these important points, the conception of this chapter will be clear, and whatever the questions will come from this chapter, you will be able to answer all the given questions. So please go through the mind map well. So let us move towards the next slide. So in my next slide, I have given few important points for your exam. So let us see the main points. Number one, learn the new words along with their meanings. So the new words are very important for you. Learn them well along with their meanings. Second, learn the questions and answers well. So whatever the question and answers we have discussed, please learn them well. Practice the problem sums and word sums given in the Maths Fun. So here in your book, there is a section called Connect the Dots. There you can find both the Maths Fun and EVS Fun. So in the Maths Fun category, you will find there are some problem or word sums. So please practice those sum. And the next one is learn the facts given in EVS Fun. So I hope you have noticed that in the EVS Fun, there are many of the facts and files are there. Some learning educational points are there. Please learn them. Question might come from those points also. And finally, try to solve the crossword puzzles given in the book. Some few crossword puzzles are also given in the chapters. So learn them well. So that is all for today, dear students. I hope you will learn well for your PT1 examination. Good luck to you all.